White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bulls Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing honey garlic wings. It's going to be fire. You guys know I already got the perfect wing recipe. I've done it twice before. We're going to follow that again and then hit it with this sauce. But one focal point of this video that's going to be different is now we have the new and improved Rack City on hand. These are now available. The link will be below in the comments, whitebullsbarbecue.com. So let's jump right into it. We got the Traeger rolling at 350. We're gonna throw these wings on after we season them with the Rack City. Give them about 10 minutes to set that seasoning in, and then they're going on the smoker, skin side down. Yes, I know that wings have skin on both sides, but you know the damn side that I mean. That side goes down first. About an hour cook, and then we sauce it at the end, so let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're about to season this with Rack City. We already hit the other side. This is what I meant by the skin side. Is very obviously different from the other side. That's the side you're going down first. So when you're seasoning them, that's the last side you want to season because you want the stuff to really seep in. So we're gonna hit it with that Rack City. New and improved bottles, new and improved formula. It's the same great flavor profile, but just look at this stuff. It's the real deal, and I wish you could smell it through YouTube. It's the only thing YouTube needs to fix. I've been saying it forever. But look at this. Perfectly seasoned wing. You want that wing all day. You want to give these wings about 10 minutes to really let that rub set in. It creates an osmosis effect, which means the salt is going to start pooling into the protein. And when that process is over with, they're ready to throw in the smoker. Let's do the damn thing. Alright, so this is about a half hour skin down. This is pretty much your result. After just a half hour. Beautiful way. So we're gonna flip them, give it another half hour, then we're gonna crank it to 400 for like 5 minutes to really set in the crispiness. Then we're gonna sauce them. Let's go. Alright, now here's a good tip of advice. If your sauce is in the fridge, take it out a half hour and pour it into the bowl you're going to be using before you even get done with your wings. That way it's not cold and doesn't make your wings soggy. Trust me, it matters. Alright, so we're about to crank this up to 400 and flip these skin side down one more time for like 5 minutes and really let them set in that crispiness. So let's do the damn thing. Have your sauce ready. Fumble. That's ready. Perfect. A missing element from my videos recently is you guys don't get to see me eat it. I'm about to change that. There's your wing. Pure perfection. Cheers. Wow, those wings were straight up amazing. Did you expect anything else? You know I do this wing stuff. The Rack City really laid the foundation for amazing flavor, and then that sauce on top, out of this world. I'm not really a big Frank's Red Hot guy, but that Red Hot honey garlic is out of this world. It's got a little bit of kick on the back end, and I promise you this is a super simple recipe that your whole family's gonna love, including the kids. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next time. And you already know the vibes. I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue.